This software is pretty good for learning how to solve equation. Here you can see that this is a linear equation, 4x plus 2 equal to 10. Alright, how to use this tool? You can see that this is a balance. The first thing you need to do is to set up the equation on this balance. So you can see there's x here. We can drag the x to the left hand side because it's on the left hand side we have 4x, right? So I drag the first one and then you can click it. You drag 4 of the x, so it's 4x plus 2. So I put, let's go to this side. Okay, so left hand side I have 4x plus 2 is all set up. On the right hand side there's 10. So I put 1, not following instructions, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so now the equation is set up on this balance. So on the left hand side is 4x plus 2, on the right hand side is 10. Now we are ready to solve the equation using this balance. This is a visual way to see an equation. 4x plus 2 is exactly equal to 10. So it's a balance. The left hand side is the same as the right hand side. Now we're going to solve the equation using this balance. So what you need to do is once you set up the equation, you click continue. Now you're allowed to move something. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So long as you do the same on both sides, it stays equal. Okay, now we look at the equation 4x plus 2 equal to 10. So on the left hand side I have x, on the right hand side I don't have any x. So I will try to keep the x on left hand side. So 4x on the left hand side. So I want to get rid of this 2. So how to get rid of the 2 on the left hand side? We can subtract 2 from both sides, right? Get rid of 2 from both sides, they should still be equal. So I get rid of the 2 from both sides. Now I have 4x equals to 8. Now I want to find out x equal to what, so I need to get rid of the 4. So 4x, I want to find out x, so in that case I just divide the whole thing by 4. So I try to do the same on both sides, right? So divide both sides by 4 because it's 4x, 4 times x. I do the opposite, so that's why the opposite of multiplication is to do division. So divide both sides by 4. So click go. I have x equal to 2, which is the answer. So by using this balance, I successfully solved this equation, find out the value of x. And once we have done that, we can continue next problem, or you can even create a new problem yourself. Since we are doing some practice, we can just continue to click another problem. No, I'm not. I clear that. Cancel. I want to create a new problem. Not create a problem. If I create a problem, I have to enter equation. In this case, I just want a random new problem. I click it. Now I have another equation. In this case, I have 3x on the left hand side, so I drag 3x. Oh, what? Sometimes it doesn't follow the pattern. But anyway, the left hand side we have 3x. On the right hand side, 2x plus 2. So I drag 2 of the x to the right hand side, and then I have 2. Alright, so now I set up the equation, and next step is to solve it. So I can just continue. And now look at the equation. I have 3x on the left hand side, I have 2x on the right hand side, and a 2. So the first thing, I want to make sure I only have x on one side, not both sides. So that means I need to get rid of this 2x from both sides. Okay, so I take away 2x from both sides, click go, number or x. Okay, the software is not very smart, so I have to do it one by one. So take away 1x, and then I have to take away another x. All right, so now on the left hand side I have x, on the right hand side I don't have any more x, and actually this is the answer, x equals to 2. So the problem is solved. Now you can try it yourself with different problem, right? I click this one, this new problem. You can try it yourself.